Our second experiment for the day is going to be melting snowmen. So first, we're not going to use real snow. We're going to make our own. First, we're going to use baking soda and water and mix them together. Hopefully you have these ingredients at home. You don't have to go out and buy them. So I pour in some baking soda and I put a little bit of water at a time and stir.
A little bit more. I'm going to make some fake snow. I might have to get my hands in here. If you add too much water, you just add a little more baking soda. And if it's too dry, you add more water. Now, when it's the right consistency that you probably can make snowballs out of it, I'm going to make my snowman sparkly. I'm going to add some glitter, if you have it at home. Mix it all together.
Okay, I've used up all my mixture and I was able to make 5 snowmen. Then you can decorate them. You can put a nose on, just out of construction paper. You can put eyes. I have black eyes out of construction paper, but I also used beads to decorate my snowman. And when you're done, take some saran wrap and wrap them up tight. Because you're going to put them in the freezer to harden up a bit. And when they come out of the freezer, I'll show you what we do next. Let's see if they're hard yet. Oh yeah. Time to take them out. Okay, time to see if we can melt our snowmen. Put them in a dish. Now you need vinegar, preferably white vinegar. Let's see if the magic works. Whoa. They're melting. There go the snowmen.